So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver, motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte. You can download any devices of Gigabyte. You can download driver easily from there. So first guys, you have to come this site. So you can see right hand side, this is search button, and then enter your model number which is you required. Okay, W790 AI top, and then hit enter. Then guys, click to product, click on title of motherboard name, then guys click to add, click on support. This is your motherboard. So you can see this is all driver sections. So select your operating system, which is install Windows 10, 7, 11, sorry, Windows 10 and 11. So select any, if you are any using, so no worry, you can watch this video and install any operating system. This is because installation process same. Select which is required, Windows 10, 11. Audio driver, you just click to download. It will click on. After that you can see here automatically start here, 165 size, 165 size. Wait few seconds to complete. So you can see here 165 size, just open it and double click to launch. Then click to yes. So now you can see this is installing. So it is closed automatically, means guys this is installed, and then close it.